Hi, my name is Seychelle M, and I'm an assistant professor at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. I'm one of the co-organizers for the upcoming Keystone meeting on the interplay of chromatin architecture and transcription regulation. This meeting is going to be held in Banff from the 30th of March 2025 to the 2nd of April. Our vision for this meeting was to combine two fields that have traditionally been a little bit isolated, which are the fields of genome organization and transcription. In addition to our own meeting combining transcription regulation and genome organization, being held at the same time concurrently with the epigenetics meeting, it really combines all these fields that have lots of crosstalk with each other and will really allow scientists to talk to each other and gain insights from things that they might not normally think about, but are directly related to problems that they are addressing. And so this is a really special way of putting all of these things together. The field is moving so fast right now that I anticipate we're going to see lots of new things, both like at the level of cell biology, genomics, structural biology. I anticipate that we're going to see lots of cool new things that aren't yet disclosed yet. As scientists are always finding things, and then it's serendipity. And since this meeting's like 6 months away or more, I really anticipate that we're going to be seeing fun results. I'm actually really interested in the entire program. What I love is that we cover many different scales. In this program, we're looking at things that are really at like a big level, high level picture, where we're thinking about how chromosomes are organized. And then we're going all the way down to the molecular level, where we're thinking about at the atomic level, how chromatin might be modulated by different enzymes. And I really like how beautiful that is, that we go from this really high level into the molecular details. I think this meeting really helps to bring together researchers who are working at many different levels. And that's something where having these connections built between researchers will allow us to push the field in new realms that we couldn't have imagined a few years ago. With all the developments in technology, both like on the microscopy level and the genomics level, we're really coming up with new information all the time, and it's changing how we view different elements of our cells, how our genomes are regulated. And I think by combining people with expertise in multiple different areas, we're really going to come up with better solutions on understanding how our cells work. So this meeting is certainly for people at all career stages, people coming from all sorts of backgrounds. It is a very basic science meeting in the sense that we are covering basic principles of genome organization, structural biology, cell biology, all of these things. But I think it does have value for people who are in the clinic thinking about mutations and how those would affect many of the proteins that people are interested in at this meeting, and understanding how those work does become extremely clinically relevant. So you have that basic mechanism side. And I think for students and other trainees, this meeting will help expose them to a wide variety of scientists and really understand what the cutting edge of the field is. This meeting, I think, is really attractive for scientists who are up and coming in the field, for our next generation of scientists, particularly because these meetings are smaller. So you really have the opportunity to talk to predominant people in the field face to face, which is pretty special. You often encounter beautiful papers and literature from your scientific heroes, but you never meet them. And this meeting is one where you will be able to talk to those people directly, ask them questions, ask them advice on your career. And those are all, I think, really important things to have. So you should absolutely submit an abstract for a short talk. Those are due on the 9th of January, 2025. That will allow you to share your really cool research story with the rest of the community. If you missed that deadline and you'd like to present a poster, we have another deadline on the 6th of March for poster abstracts. And we would love to see you present your work and really show the community what cool things you've discovered.